Let's add a button to our SwiftUI app. So to add a button, you literally just type in button. And then we're going to look for the one that says action label, like this. I'm going to just hit enter to fill out those empty code blocks, delete that. And now inside this label part that we have here, right, we're going to add an image to our button. And now we just have to pick the type of image that we want. For now, let's just pick phone, something simple. And right now you see this phone image appears right here. Right now it's really small, so all we can do is resize it. So it's at a resizable modifier. Hit enter, and now it's too big. So we can specify the size by adding a frame modifier. So we'll just hit that, frame, width, height. And for now, I'll just do 40 by 40 for each. And now you'll see that we now have a button on the screen based on the image. If we wanted to add like a different style to the button, we can still do what we did before and add a modifier to the button. So we'll just go here and hit dot button style. And if you hit dot again, you'll see all the options that you have here. I'll go with my favorite, bordered prominent. And you'll see we add this type of effect to the button where it has like a better style. And you can still click on it. But as I said, no action is added here. But this is how you add an image to your button in SwiftUI.